I gonna do ya now? New link and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. New link. Hotter.
Blessing viewers and subscribers. John know people. Well, another security guardian of viewers and subscribers has gone again. And this time, it's at just 23 years old again. And to tell you the saddest part about it, people, them says a relative stabbed this man to death. Cause it is said that this man, who is from Bagwalk in St. Catherine, people, right, was at his home when him and a relative developed into an argument, which that happened Wednesday, shortly before 9 p.m. And from there, people, the relative used a knife to inflict wounds to the upper body of this man. He was rushed and taken to the hospital, and from there, him no make it. He's just 23 years old. And I just the other day, that the other security you understand where the man shoot down there. So I'm saying, what's going on in Jamaica? What's really going on? Boy, it's sad, people. So much people dying. You know what I mean? One another gun or the knife. What next we can do? What next we can do? Man living a life it and all of this by a relative. So now the police have the relative in custody, people. He hasn't been charged yet, but you don't know so them are going to deal with them process and thing. But they know him and the relative now dispute, and from there, knife use, and they said they don't know anything going on, my viewers. This is New Link from New Link Production. I just want to send out my condolences to all of the family and friends of this man, because Jano, sad people. Blessings. Peace. I'm out.
Where them I gonna do ya now? New link and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. New link.